Is your DeLonghi portable air conditioner turning off unexpectedly? This can be frustrating, but most issues have simple solutions. Let's walk through the most common causes and fixes. First, check your unit's display for error codes. The control panel will show specific codes that indicate different problems. HL means the water tank is full, while PF indicates a sensor issue. Try resetting the unit by unplugging it for 3 to 5 minutes. This clears any temporary glitches and allows the internal systems to reset completely. A full water tank is one of the most common causes. When you see an HL error, the unit automatically shuts off to prevent overflow. Locate the drain hose on the back of the unit and empty the collected water. Dirty air filters restrict airflow and cause overheating, leading to automatic shutoffs. Clean your filters every 2 weeks with warm water and mild detergent. Make sure they're completely dry before reinstalling. The exhaust hose must be properly connected and unobstructed. Check that it's securely attached to the unit, has no kinks or bends, and provides a clear path for hot air to escape outside. Short cycling occurs when the unit turns on and off more frequently than normal. This often happens when the air conditioner is oversized for the room, cooling the space too quickly and shutting off before completing a full cooling cycle. Some issues require professional attention. If you see a PF error code indicating sensor failure, suspect low refrigerant, or if problems persist after trying these troubleshooting steps, contact DeLonghi customer service or a qualified HVAC technician. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced electrical issues may be the culprit. Loose wiring, especially on the compressor capacitor, can cause voltage drops and unexpected shutdowns. Circuit overload is another common cause of AC shutdowns. Your air conditioner should have its own dedicated outlet to prevent power sharing with other high-consumption appliances. Regular cleaning of condenser coils dramatically improves efficiency and prevents shutdowns. Dirty coils force the system to work harder, leading to overheating and automatic shutoffs. Clean filters are essential for proper airflow. Clogged filters restrict air circulation, causing components to freeze up and the system to shut down for protection. Safety is paramount. If you detect any burning smell from your air conditioner, immediately unplug the unit and contact a qualified technician. This could indicate serious electrical problems. Some issues require professional expertise. If your compressor, thermostat, or temperature sensors are faulty, contact an HVAC professional rather than attempting repairs yourself. Future air conditioning models will feature smart diagnostics, smartphone app control, and automated maintenance alerts. These advances will make troubleshooting much easier and help prevent problems before they occur. Remember, regular maintenance prevents most AC problems. Clean filters and coils regularly, ensure proper electrical connections, and don't hesitate to call professionals for complex issues. Your DeLonghi AC will run efficiently for years with proper care.